and it makes your face like feel so like silky smooth. And it's so important right now because it's really dry outside that I get dry really quickly. And if I use that, it works really good. So I use that pretty much every day too.
I like the cleansing milk that she has too.
Yeah, I'm looking at that right now.
So like creamy.
Yeah. Like yeah, the almond scrub mask is my favorite.
Let's see, I have two too.
Okay.
One is Steeless Smudge Puff. And I actually have both of mine on my webpage now under my pedal stick. But it's one of those things, you can use it as like an eyeshadow, but I use it like mostly as an eyeliner. And it has like a little bit of like glimmer in it. The one that I use is the copper one. And it is it copper or bronze? I forget. But you put it on with a brush and it is just so nice. I love it.